Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to make an Android app using Android Studio. So you need to download Android Studio. It is a large file which has 933 MB. So you need to download that. This is a project that I made. So just close it. So when you first open the Android Studio, you can see this window open, and this window is this window is where you can create a new project and import. So now we are going to look at how to create it. And you will not see this button because that button came because I downloaded a plugin. You can download plugins by going to plugins, and you will have white screen. I think um, you can change the appearance by going to appearance and behavior and choosing appearance and searching the theme from Dracula. I am setting that because I like that theme, and uh, mainly it will be IntelliJ Light, which is not a good appearance. I don't like that theme, so just click Dracula and apply. Okay, then click create new project, empty activity, next, and name the application. I'm gonna call it demo app. You can create any, you can give any name, no problem, and also choose the location. Okay, you can choose the location, and I'm gonna choose the location which is in Android Studio projects. Okay, and demo. Wait, demo. I will select another near to my desktop slash desktop and create new folder demo app. Okay, okay. We need to make an empty folder because then only you can save that file. Okay, and this is the package name, which is if you are uploading an app to Play Store, this should be unique, and this package name is nothing but a name that to help understand Google Play. So can give any name. It does not change the name here. I am calling them officer. Okay, and you can choose the API. I'm choosing 5.0 Lollipop, which run on 94.1% on of devices, and click finish. Okay, and it will load up. Java file is load up, and our activity main.xml is also loaded up. Okay, we can just click on there because now we need to let we can change the text to my heart app, and also there is okay, now it is, and there is a warning which we need to click alt plus enter, or if you don't know it, just click here and extract string resource. Okay, and extract it to a string value so the computer can understand. Okay, so this is our first step. We created the text, and we can also adjust its size, color, everything. Okay, cannot text is size by just text size. Let's do. I am setting it to 65. It is very large, and don't just put the number. Need to SP or BP there, or pixel is enough, but pixel is very small. If SP is the correct word, okay, so we can write SP. Okay. So then we can create a button. button. So for button, just drag and drop this button here, and there's an error, plus or plus enter, or just click here, and now the problem is solved. And you need to change the text and extract it to string resource, and changing it to class me. Okay, and extract it to string resource by clicking alt plus enter, and and you can see that extract to string resource, then also enter. Okay, it will extract to string resource. Then we have done a design part. I'm not gonna make this a long video because it's a short tutorial, and I'm just showing the basics of this. So into this, we can actually declare the button. So every button will have an ID, and the ID is button for this button. Okay, so you need to remember the ID we will have to use in this main activity dot java file. Okay, so then we can declare button, which is an android widget. Okay, we have the button, and we have got this line of code. And if suppose if some do not have that pop-up, that's because any of issue. If you don't have that pop-up, don't worry. No, don't worry, we will handle this by button, and I'm not clicking enter. And now you can see this error once more. So import class. Okay, then the problem is solved. Otherwise, just click here and there is change. So I imported that way. Okay, so now we can call our button a name. I am calling it BT. So BT is equal to um, find view by ID of dot ID. Yes, ID. Okay. Dot but okay. Then closes by semicolon. Then bp dot set dot on prisoner is equal to new. In this bracket we need to click new view on click listener. If you click enter, you will get a whole bunch of things. Okay, and now we will declare a variable which is a variable I will call it my indent. And before we do this, we need to before we do this we need to go to the project and click on this and layout, left click on the layout folder and activity and choose empty activity which is here. Okay, and you need to give a name and I'm gonna call it second activity application and don't check this and Java is the language. No problem. Okay, okay, we have created this second activity also and now I close that. If you accidentally close that, just click the second activity, double click, okay, and we can save. We can now call the intent. My intent is equal to no intent, and then the new intent here gonna call is um, main activity. This is the main activity. Learn this. So we need to pass that because we are in the main activity first, and then we need to go to the second activity dot class, and we are taking only the class of this second activity. Then close it with semicolon. And now also it will not work because we need to start the activity as my email. And this has an error. We need to add this indent, my indent. Okay, and we did this. And on the second activity, main.xml, we can just create a text view. Okay, it actually with the text of I'm gonna write welcome to the second page. Okay, and you can see the size is very low, and we can adjust the size by text size. 35, 20 is it? 20. Okay, 20 and there's an error is SP. Okay, we need to extract this string resource. Okay, and then there's one more error. We need to cover all the errors in order to export it. it and for we need this line, so we need, and there are no errors in this. There's actually a warning. Okay, and the warning is we can replace it with lambda, which we are not gonna do because we don't need lambda. Okay, then I will show how to build this project. I will click on that and choose APK. Next, and the key store, we need to create new key store and the path, and I'm gonna make my key store in the desktop folder itself. The desktop, demo app is already there, but demo app already exists, so I am gonna add export. Okay, and then I will create one more file folder, subfolder, which will be key store, key store, key store. Okay, and we can call this demo.js. Okay, and you don't want to leave any space, and password, any password you want. This is just a signing that I can give any password, but the confirmation password is to be same as this password. Okay, and the first name and last name of your app, and that is demo app, and we will write the organizational unit, which is demo. For me, your it is first, if you are creating the name, you can give any name, and the organization need to give an organization name, or just give your app's name. If you do not have an organization, so I have not. And your city and locality, and, and your country code, and then click OK. Okay, the password must be 6 characters. Okay, okay. Now we have created the key store and remove our passwords. And to next, we can create a debug or a release, and creating release, and just get two signature versions. Debug is more convenient because you are just for testing purposes. I'm gonna release it because okay, now the build is finished. So now we can locate the build. So okay, this is our folder which is in desktop and demo app and win app. Okay, there are build and really go to release, and you can see this app release.apk. We can rename it to any name. I'm gonna call it demo app.apk. Demo app Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in